I woke up the other day and got a notification that my favorite YouTuber, Beverage Creations, had uploaded a new video. But while watching it, I noticed that ugly monitor stand on the desk. So let's make a new one to better match this space. But first, let's get some sexy new tools for some sexy results. Oh man, that was fast. Now let's unbox it. Okay, new blade installed, now let's get the lumber milled. But first, let's cut them down to more manageable sizes. And all the pieces are nice and smooth. Now I'm gonna rip them into strips of random width so I can glue them together into a larger panel with alternating grain patterns. And it's already 6:45, let's eat. Ooh, that was delicious. But now let's get back to work and start cutting out all the pieces to make the base of the monitor stand. To do this, I'm going to use my CNC and this Amana 1/4" spiral bit.
I don't know what's going on. I hope I'm on your mind. On your mind. I've got 70,000 friends, so I guess it'll be alright.
Okay, the strips are all cut and this bit made everything super clean. So now let's glue everything up. While I'm doing that, I want to give a big thanks to the sponsor of this video, Tools Today. They've got a huge assortment of industrial-grade cutting tools, including all of the blades and bits used in this build. So whether you're looking for router bits, CNC bits, saw blades, drill bits, they've got it. And that is epic, my friends. And I've got links to all the tools used for this build in the description below. So head on over to their website and check them out. Now let's get back into it just in time for every woodworker's favorite part, sanding. Alright, the base is finished and I've got a bunch of leftovers from the previous operation, but these are perfect for making the drawer. Okay, just laid out the joinery for the drawer box, now it's time to cut them out. But first, I'm gonna swap over to my dado blades. And rabbets will be cut along both the ends as well as one along the edge of each piece for receiving a drawer bottom. Alright, joinery done, now let's check it. And the fit is looking perfect. Now it's time to assemble them. Besides using glue and clamps, I'm also gonna add some screws for additional reinforcement. And to do this, I'm gonna use this Amana non-marring countersink bit to pre-drill and create the pocket for the screws to sit in. And I'll cut some plugs to hide those screws. Alright, plugs are flushed up. Now let's glue in that 1/2" shore bottom to this rabbit we cut earlier. And since there won't be any drawer slides, I attached a few runners on the bottom to allow for less friction when the drawer slides in and out. But of course, that also means the drawer box has a lot of wiggle room under the base. But I'll just add a couple of hardwood guides to the underside of the base using some screws. Alright, drawer sliding nice and smooth. Now let's design something cool for the drawer front.
I know you have questions, I don't have answers. Clearly no manners, baby.
Oh, that's the one.
Putting on the pressure, 'cause pressure's gonna get the very best of me. I give a little something, doesn't come for free. Oh, I know you have questions, baby. Even if I try and try too hard, nothing's ever enough. Even if I try and try too hard, tell me what to do, say anything, yeah. Dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try, if we just try. So come on, baby.
Alright, this drawer front is looking pretty awesome. But since there are still some more leftover scraps, I'm gonna make some dividers. While I left the dividers in the clamps to dry, let's prep the drawer front for painting by taping over the glue surfaces. And then, let's get to it.
I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks and racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. Hundreds on my bed, section with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks and racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash.
And after priming the surfaces, I picked out some bright colors for the drawers to fit the colors of that office. Alright, painting done. I'm really loving the way the color is bringing out the curves in the drawer front. So now let's put everything together. And last but not least, the dividers are just friction fitted into the drawer box. Now, everything's complete. I no longer have to feel embarrassed by that glass monitor stand showing up in my future videos, and as an added bonus, I got some additional storage space. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and be sure to hit that subscribe button. I'll catch you guys next time.